Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to video tutorials. Today we'll be looking at some of those opportunities on Bybit that can allow us make some money, make some profit without trading cryptocurrency. So before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this content. Okay, so all you just need to do is to make sure you have a verified Bybit account, and let's dive into this. Is that okay? So all you just need to do as usual, you're going to go into navigate yourself to the notification center. Okay, you're going to go into navigate yourself to the notification center. Let's quickly do this. Look, click on this bell sign here. You're going to go into click on this bell sign here. What we are going to try today is going to be Celo and ID. We have two opportunities here that we can run and make a huge profit for ourselves, right? So the first thing we want to run here is Celo, and Celo is up to 50.7% APR. Okay, and the second one is the huge one, which is the ID. ID we will gain up to 104.46% APR. All right, so let's quickly dive into that. But the real one I want to use as an I want to use for the class today is the ID, because it has the high percentage, and I will also touch Celo Brave, so that which anyone you want to do from it, you can quickly dive into that and do that and make your money. Okay, so let's quickly click on ID. ID actually is loading, right? ID is loading, and here is it. Click on it. It has already done 15% or so. All right, so this is the ID. Okay, as you all know, if you come to ID here, the first thing you're going to check is what is the remaining pool size. Okay, this is the remaining pool size, over 357,000 million dollars. Okay, this is the remaining pool size, and the daily APR, the estimated daily APR, going to be 15% though. Then your current staking going to be shown here. There is a zero ID for now because I haven't staked anything, and your estimated yield profit will be showing here. Okay, so what time is this really beginning? This is beginning September 26th, 8:11, which has already commenced. The yield start time is going to start by 9:26. So you're going to dive into this quickly so that you can make your profit from this. Okay, then the yield time is going to start from 9 as usual. That is the yield time. The yield start time is going to be starting from 9. Okay, the yield accuracy will be start from 10, and the yield distributions time is going to be on day 27, which is just 24 hours, and you're going to make a huge profit for yourself. Okay, so just look at this note carefully, and make sure you click on this place in order to commence. Click on this place, and after clicking on that place, the next thing you just need to do is to click on stake, then confirm it, and everything will be okay, and everything will start running for yourself. So what is the minimum? How much do you need in order to partake in this flexible savings, in this flexible ID savings? Okay, you're going to need from 10 to 400 AP, to 400 ID. Okay, the minimum you're going to need here is 10. The maximum is what is 400,000. Okay, so if you have 10 ID, and between the 10 and 2 and 400,000, you can stake and also make profit for yourself. All right, so let's quickly check how can we get this ID. You can get this ID by either converting your USDT to ID, or you're going to trade your USDT to ID. right? So if you want to convert your USDT to this ID, all you just need to do is to navigate yourself to this asset. Then you're going to click on convert. If you click on convert, the next thing you just need to do is to choose between, just choose ID, and is to choose ID, convert your USDT to ID. Okay, so this is it. You're just gonna go into click here. You're gonna go into choose what you have, which is the USDT probably that you want to confirm convert to ID. All right, you're gonna go into choose your USDT and your USDT here and your ID here. Then you're just gonna go into preview it and click on confirm. Then it will be converted. Okay, sorry. Then it will be what? It will be converted. So after it's converted, you can just go straight in order to what, to stake, and you can also trade it. Okay, you can also trade it by getting the ID, by trading the ID slash USDT. Okay, the ID is 0.4, which is almost half of a dollar, right? So all you just, that is all what you just need to do in order to what, to stake. And the second one is what is called the Celo. So the same thing, you're gonna going to convert this Celo, or you're gonna going to trade your USDT to Celo, then you can use it to like stake. All right, so if you want to stake the Celo, still is the same procedure. Okay, there's no any change, still the same procedure, still the same still the same procedure. There's nothing change. You're just gonna going to come to this place and look at it carefully. Then you're gonna going to click on stake to stake. All right, and the minimum you need from this place to stake Celo is the minimum Celo you need is 5 to 100,000. Okay, you need 5 to what, to 100,000. All right, so this brings me to the end of this amazing content. If you do have any question, do not forget to drop it in the comment sections, and I will attend to you ASAP. Okay, so thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.